Video I'm going to show you how you can use VLC Media Player to record your screen. So for that I'll just start VLC Media Player. So VLC Media Player has started. So go to Media, open Capture Device. So here in Capture Device you will have to select desktop, and here you make it as, I'll make it as 30 fps. Then you have to click here. You can click here also, it will show more option. So you click here, convert. In this you will have to select this. This is S264 MP3 and destination file. So I will select desktop here. Go. I will select desktop. I will give file name as record. So I will save it. Yeah. So I will start. So now that screen recording has started using VLC Media Player. So you can see here one rec folder has generated. I'll just click here so that this will come in the recording. So now I will just close this, right click here and close this. So now you can see here this video has generated record video. So using VLC Media Player, it won't record the volume like input sound. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.